In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a community on Roblox. Communities are the new name for groups. Start by going to the side and select More. Select Communities, then head to the top and click Create Community. Select the name box and give your community a name. I'll be calling mine ST Tutorials. Add a description if you like, this is optional. However, I like to add one. Head down to the emblem options and click the Select an Image from your computer button. Find the image that you want to use for your community, then select it and click the Open button. Go down to the settings and choose if you want anyone to be able to join or to have manual approval. If this community is just for friends, then be sure to select Manual Approval. You will need to pay 100 Robux to create the community. Make sure all the information is correct, then click the 100 Robux button to create your community. Select Purchase, head to the side and select the three dots, then choose to Configure Community. Here you will see all of the settings for your community. You can change them as you like. You now know how to make a community in Roblox. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.